trips I could obtain the key. I am the bird that flies to freedom. I broke the chains, my soul longs to fly. The cage man who once saw his destiny sacrificed the wounded and slain deer. I am a jailed man. Will my spirit ever be freed? Could I see feet someday breed? I am a caged bird. Will I ever be a free bird? Convert me in a free bluebird. Today I rise in a flight forward, a fraternal flight that heaven in a profound secret has entrusted to me. The cage man who once saw his destiny sacrificed. Today my soul flies free. I was a jailed man. Now my spirit is freed. Now I see my feet breathe. I was a caged bird. Nowadays I'm a free bird, converting in a free bluebird. Times turns in the air in the distance, the bars of solitude. I was a jailed man. Now my spirit is free. Now I see my feet breathe. I was a caged bird. Nowadays I'm a free bird, converting in a free bluebird. The sun's photons on my wings.